Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you another online legit site that you can make money by just answering questions in your field of expertise online and make money online. This site is known as JustAnswer. JustAnswer is simply a website that has been specially designed for experts and that you can earn $2,000 to $7,000 a month in the field of expertise that I will be sharing with you shortly. And remember, if you are not an expert in this field, you won't be able to make money on this site because there is a lot of background check on this site. So let me click on the field of expertise. As you can see, you must be an expert in appliance and home improvement. You must be an expert in appraisal in both in cars, in computers, in consumer electronic, in engineering, in finance, in heavy equipment, in homework, and you in law as well, in medical, in pet, in veterinary and wellness. So in order to make $2,000 to $7,000 a month with JustAnswer, you need to be an expert in any of these fields. And if you are not an expert, do not even sign up to this site because you won't be accepted to answer questions on this site. So this is a very good site for expert, and if you have expertise in any of this field, you can go ahead. As you can see, you can apply by clicking here and selecting your country. Then you fill in your first name, last name, email address and telephone number. After you do that, there are 3 steps that you need to actually follow in order to start working with this site. These 3 steps is by you need to apply on this site, then they will do a background check, and after 2 weeks they will get back to you, and then you start making money on this site if only the verification and the background check of your area of expertise is what the site actually require. So this site will equally need certificates that prove that you are an expert either in electronics, in engineering, in law, in medicals, in wellness, in finance, or in any area of expertise that you are applying for. So you must have certificates to prove that you are an expert in any of these fields. So this is how they make money on this platform. You must be an expert in order for you to make money on this platform, and earning $2,000 to $7,000 to an expert is just a normal thing. And what they do on this site is that people pay expert on this site to ask questions to them requiring their field, the field in which they actually need an answer for a question, be it finance, be it medical, be it engineering and whatsoever. So on this site, you make between $2,000 to $7,000 only if you are an expert. So these are some of the reviews that has been on this site. As you can see, they say working through JustAnswer is a very good site for experts. So if you are not an expert, this site is not for you. So you can check out the next video that I will be uploading on this site, which will be for people who does not have expertise to a certain extent. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you will get a notification. And when I upload that video, you will get a notification. God bless you.